Okay, so this is a supplement for the other video that I did so that you guys can actually hear me and see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to be melting pewter for this one, and I'm just using a propane torch. You'll be using your oxyacetylene at the college. You'll be using your silver or your shibuchi or your reticulation silver, whichever. So I've already oiled my crucible. This is and we'll actually do a wire side for you. So I'm going to heat my metal first. Now this is going to heat up very quickly because it's pewter. You will not use pewter in the studio. You will not bring pewter to the studio. I just have it for this sample and for the demo so that you can see what I'm doing. So, as it heats up, and you will use your ceramic crucible, as it heats up, you're going to stir it around a little bit. Once it's molten, you're going to take the torch away, put a little pinch of flux into it, which will be in the studio. Make sure that your torch is on the right angle so it doesn't blow itself out. As you're heating it, you're going to heat your crucible. Either it's this one or it's the plate crucible. Then, once it's molten, you stir it a little bit like this just by turning it in circles until you don't see any lumps. And then you'll heat it as you pour it. So heat it as it comes out of the crucible. And then you'll move along if you have to. And you'll turn your torch off, you'll let it cool. Remember that all of the things at the casting station will be really warm after people have used them 3 or 4 times, so don't go around touching things. Assume that everything at the casting area is hot. And then you can let this go out, bring your tweezers or a pair of pliers to grab your ingot. After a little while you can cool it. Remember that you want to pour it in a smooth motion, just like we talked about last week, okay?